November 6th was Creative Hair and Hat Day.
The sport of the day is soccer. Soccer is a sport played on a wide field with 11 players on each side and can be played anywhere and is popular worldwide.
Our district superintendent, Matt Best, came to speak with us last week.
And so my job is to make sure that teachers in the classroom have what they need to help you all as students, and supporting principals and all the other staff in the district to make sure they can do their jobs.
What did you like when you were in elementary school?
Well, I love social studies. I still love social studies. And I loved recess. Those are my two favorites. I'm happy to be here, and I'm really glad that you both are learning a little bit about journalism and gathering information from people in your community. And I hope you keep it up as you get older.
Thank you. To hear the full interview, click the link in the description below.
The word of the day is journalism. Journalism is the act of preparing something for news or print.
Our book fair is during conference week, November 18th to the 22nd. It's open after school. Conference week is also when the grades get out early. Grades 1st to 6th get let out at 12:10, but TK and kindergarten schedule stays the same. Thanksgiving break is from November 25th to the 29th.